How to create a meeting on Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a meeting on Microsoft Teams step by step. This works on both desktop and web versions. So let's get started. First, open up your Microsoft Teams and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left-hand menu and then click on the calendar option. So this is where you can schedule, view, and manage all your meetings. Now, on the top right corner, click on the New Meeting button and a new window will open up where you can set up your meeting details. So start by adding a clear, relevant title to your meeting. So, for example, if it is a review meeting, you can put in review meeting. So, now set a date and time for your meeting. So just tap on the date option and you can choose the date, and here you can choose the time. So it is set to 30 minutes by default, but you can just tap on it and then change the timing. So after you have adjusted the timing option, you can choose if you want it to repeat or not. You can set it to every day, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or just custom it. And then here you can see enter name, email, or phone number. So by tapping on it, you can add participants. So you can invite people through their email or through their Teams ID. And then once you have done that, you can add location if you want to, and then type details for the meeting. You can put in important notes in the description box. This helps attendees understand the purpose of the meeting in advance. And then after you've done that, you can see the save option at the top right. You can just hit save. And then now you can see the meeting now appears on your calendar. So that's it. You have successfully created a meeting on Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.